Good morning, Yamu. Good morning, Yamu. Good morning, Biker. Oh, good morning, Vita. Okay. All right, let's see. You need to answer my questions first. So, teacher gonna start with what's your name? What's your name? My name is. Very good. Very good, Pitai. My name is Nachakrit Chumkong, right? Ah, okay, next question. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? My nickname is Marco.
My nickname is Time.
My nickname is Time. And who else? My nickname is Pikit. My nickname is Kampan. My nickname is Yamu. My nickname is Premai. My nickname is Vita. Right? Next one. How old are you? How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old. I am 5 years old. I am 6 years old. Right? Okay. Next one. Next one. How are you today? How are you today?
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am happy. I am happy. I am good. I am great. I am wonderful. Right? Okay. Next one. Next one is what grade are you in? What grade are you in? Very good. I am in kindergarten 3, section 2, section 1, right? Good morning, P.O. Good morning, Manao.
Good morning.
Good morning. What is your school name? What is your school name? Very good. My school name is Jaransi Siksa School. Okay. Who is your English teacher? Who is your English teacher?
Teacher Harry.
Okay. Very good. My English teacher is Teacher Harry. My English teacher is Teacher Harry. All right. Next question. Do you have any brother or sisters? Do you have any brother or sister? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have two brothers. Yes, I have one sister. All right, very good. Next one. What pet do you have at home? What pet do you have at home? I have a cat. I have a bird. I have two dogs. Okay, very good, very good. And next one.
I am fish.
Oh, I have fish. Oh, I have fish. All right, all right. Next one. What animal do you see in the zoo? What animal do you see in the zoo? I see a monkey. I see a giraffe. I see lion. I see tiger. Oh, I see lion. Very good. Very good. I see snake. Wow. All right, now let's teacher share the screen for you, and then we are going to review the small talk in the PowerPoint. Okay, 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 okay. All right, all right. Everybody set up. Hoop. Oh, Vicky, very good. Marco, good job. Kampan, very good. Marine, good, good. One more time. Set up. Hoop. Wow. Attention. Hey, attention. Very good. Clap your hand one time. Oh, fantastic. One more time. Clap your hand 3 times. Oh, very good. One more time. Clap your hand 5 times. Okay, 5 times we can clap like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, very good, Pikit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay, okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, review small talk. The first one. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. All right. Next one. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. Very good. Next one. What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? Oh, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Very good, very good. Next one. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by car. I go to school by car. I go to school by bus. I go to school by van. I go to school by motorcycle. Right? Okay, next one. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to canteen. I'm going to canteen. This picture is going to canteen, right? But anyway, you can answer like I'm going to toilet, I'm going to school, I'm going to supermarket, I'm going to Big C, Lotus, Diana, whatever, right? Next one. What do you get? What do you get? I get a trophy. I get an eraser. I get a pencil. But this picture show you I get a trophy. I get a trophy. Very good. Next one. What day is today? What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And what day is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Very good. All right, this one. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. Very good. It's sunny. It is sunny. Oh, it's rainy? It's rainy, it's sunny, it's windy, it's cold. Okay, okay. Now, let's see our letter for today. Let's see this one. Today, we are going to learn about lesson 13, AM sound. AM sound, am. Am sound. Today, we are going to learn about am sound. Let's see. E sound a, M sound m, a m, am, a m, am. Am. Okay, am. All right, very good. So look at the first one. Sir, am, Sam. Sir, am, Sam. Sir, am, Sam. Sam. All right, very good. Next one. J, am, very good. J am jam. Okay. J am jam. J am jam. Jam. Very good. Next one. Her am. Her am ham. Her am ham. Her am ham. Do you like ham? Do you like ham? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Her am ham. All right, next one. R am. R am ram. R am ram. R am ram. Ram. Okay, let's see the next one. How can you spell this one? Can you say it together? Sir am. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good, tea time. Next one. Her am ham. And how about this one? J am jam. All right. And R am ram. Oh, very good, class. So in this picture we have four. We have Sam, Ham, Jam, and Ram. Alright, now let's see this one. Am song. Am song. Did you remember the melody of this song? Let's sing together. Am sao am sao am sha am sam her am ham am sao am sao am j am jam r am ram. Very good. So you need to remember am sao am sao am. Very good, class. Am sao am. Okay, let's see this one. Exercise. Let's do the exercise together. Let's do the exercise together. What is the next letter? Sir? A and M, right? Sir, am, Sam, A and M. Okay, Sir, am. And next one, Jam, J, A-M, J, am, Jam. Oh, very good, very good. And next picture. Her, am, ham, A-M, right? Her, am, ham. And the last one. R, am, ram, letter A-M. Oh, very good. Her, am, ram. Okay, let's see this one. Where? What letter is in the blue box? S. This one is S, yes or no? No. How about this one, the capital S? Yes. Good. And next one, what letter is in pink? A. This one A. No. How about this one? No. Where is A? Here? Yes. Go. Come on. Alright. A. And the last one. Letter M. This one M? No. How about this one? Yes. Let's see one M. Come on. Okay. Sir, M, Sam. Very good. Next one. What is this picture? What is this? Jam. What letter is in blue? J, right? A, right? And the last one, letter M. Letter M. This one, letter M, right? No. How about this one? Yes. Very good. Okay. Letter M. J, M, jam. Very good, class. And this one, what is this? Ham. Letter H. Where is letter H? This one, letter H? No. How about this one? Yes. Okay, very good, class. Very good. And next letter? This one A? Yes. Yes. And the last one? M. Oh, where is letter M? Oh, this one M. No. Oh, where is letter M? Here is letter M. Yes. Very good. Letter M. Come on. Her am ham. Her am ham. All right. The last one. What is this? Yes. You can say like sheep is okay, but this word we can say like ram. Ram, letter R. Oh, this one is R, right? This one R. No. How about this one? R. No. How about this one? Oh, this one is yes. Okay. Letter R. Come on. All right. Next one, letter A. This one is A, right? This one? Yes. Letter A. And what is the last letter? Letter M. This one, M. This one? No. How about this one? Very good. Yes. Okay, come on, M. All right, now ram, ram. Okay, ram. All right, now let's tick the word you hear. Let's tick the word you hear. Number one. Teacher has A group and B group. A and B. Number one, Sam. A or B? Sam. A, tick A. Number two, ham. A or B, ham? A. Number three, jam. B, very good, B. And number four, ram. B, fantastic, very good. B, okay, good job. Next one, let's read together. Okay, this is Sam. This is Sam. Sam likes jam. Very good, Sam likes jam. All right, next one. Sam likes ham. Oh, fantastic. Okay, Sam likes ham and Sam likes ram. Very good. Sam likes ram. Okay, now let's see all of them. Number one, line one. This is Sam. Sam likes jam. Very good. Sam likes ham. Sam likes rams. Very good. Sam likes ram. Okay. Very good. Listen to teacher one more time. This is Sam. Sam likes jam. Sam likes ham. Sam likes rams. Okay. Very good, class. Very good. All right. Let's see the next slide. Exercise again. Teacher has 4 marks for you. Look at the word on the top first. Number one, we have Sam. Say it together, Sam. Ram. Ham. Jam. Okay, now listen carefully. Number one, his name is Sam. 1, 2, 3, or 4. His name is Sam. 1. Very good, Sam. 1. Number 2, my mother likes jam. Number 4, jam. Okay, next one. My dog likes ham. Number 2 or 3? 3. Number 3. Very good. And the last one, I see a ram. Number 2. Oh, very good, class. I see a ram. Good job. All right. Now let's see this one. Teacher has 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, number 1. This is Sam. Number 3. Number 3. Very good. Okay, next one. Sam likes jam. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Next one. Sam likes ham. Number 4. Very good. And the last one, Sam likes ram. Number 1. Oh, very good, class. Very good. Game time. Teacher has a game for you today. Let's see this one. What is this? Ram. How to write ram? How to write ram? How to write ram? Ah. And A. M. Very good. Let's check. Yes or no? Boop. Oh, very good. 10 point. 10 point. Wow. Next one. What is this? Jam. How to write jam? Letter J. Letter J. Letter A. Letter M. Oh, very good. Plus 20 point. Oh, very good, very good. Next one. S. S. A. Okay. S-A-M. All right, very good. Plus 30 point. Plus 30 point. Very good. The last one. H. H. A. M. Okay. H-A-M. Ham. All right, very good class. Plus 40 points today. Wow, you got 40 points today. All right, now review before we finish the class today. Let's review together. Okay, what does the letter AM sound? AM sound? Am. Very good. AM sound. Am. This is Sir Am Sam. Sir Am Sam. Very good. Sir Am Sam. This one? J am jam. Oh, very good. J am jam. Okay. How about this one? Her am ham. Her am ham. All right. And this one? R am ram. Okay. R am ram. Can you read this sentence together again? 1, 2, 3. This is Sam. Very good. This is Sam. And this one? Sam likes jam. Very good. And how about this one? Sam likes ham. Okay. And? Very good. Sam likes ram. Oh, very good class today. Very good. Okay, now let's see your work time. Let's see your work today. This is your work for today. We have 4 marks. For part 1, circle the correct answer. This is Sam. What his name? A or B? B, circle B, right, like this. And number 2, 3, 4, you need to do by yourself, okay? Now let's see part 2. Part 2. Part 2. Fill in the correct word. Fill in the correct word. His name. His name is ... My mother likes ... My dog likes ... And I see ... Okay? You need to put the word from the box into the blank. Okay, now thank you for your joining the class today. See you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later. Thank you.